Well, convicted child sex offenders in Guam and other U.S. jurisdictions will soon face a new stigma. PNC's Washington correspondent Matt Kay reports.
U.S. citizens who travel from Guam and other U.S. territories or states and have been convicted as a child sex offender will be named as such on their U.S. passports. The State Department announced the new policy in response to Megan's Law, passed by Congress last year to curb child exploitation and child sex tourism. The law is named for Megan Kanka, a 7-year-old New Jersey girl who was raped and murdered by her neighbor, a convicted child sex offender, in 1994. The State Department said it would begin revoking the passports of registered child sex offenders and require them to obtain a new passport with a unique identifier in order to travel abroad. The identifier will consist of a notice on the back cover that reads, "The bearer was convicted of a sex offense against a minor and is a covered sex offender pursuant to U.S. law." Those applying for the first time will not be issued passports without the identifier. Those affected by the new law will be notified by the State Department once it receives their names from U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement at the Department of Homeland Security. Guam's judiciary maintains its own registry of convicted sex offenders. The territory has dozens of high-profile child sex offense cases spanning years or decades, many involving the Archdiocese of Agana. Governments deal with the problem of child exploitation in different ways, but the end result is it's becoming more difficult for the perpetrators of these crimes to move around the world. Matt Kay for PNC News on Capitol Hill.